What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And it is hot today, kind of humid, and it's actually not too bad because you can see behind me there is a lot of overcast, so it's mainly like humid than like blazing hot. But I finally gave the 240 a wash and it's looking good. It's already getting dusty, and it's kind of like, and you can't really help that around here, but it's looking real good. I love the way it looks right now. Like I said, these rear spats, like I said, these rear valents are so good. Just gotta clean up this bumper. Probably won't get a new one, and I'll probably end up just using this one. But yeah, I haven't cleaned this car in like over a year, so I'm gonna clean up the inside and give everything a nice vacuum and just wipe it down again, kind of detail the interior, and then probably cover it up, move it into this spot right here so I could cover it up so that the sun doesn't beat down on it. I don't care about the paint too much, but I really care about the dash inside. So yeah, let's go ahead and clean it up, and let me show you guys inside. So everything's pretty dirty in here. I left the windows open at one point to kind of just keep it not from being so hot inside of here. But as you can see, super dusty and dirty now. I might actually use a carpet cleaner to clean up these interior, to clean up these seats, because you can see here there is a lot of stains right here. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna probably try to clean that up. There's spider webs everywhere now. So yeah, let me go clean it up and then I'll get back to you guys after I do that. Oh my gosh, I'm lying guys, it's freaking hot. I'm sweating like crazy. Had to keep wiping my sweat, but it's getting a little cleaner. See, a bunch of dirt right here. Just gonna have to vacuum all that, vacuum this, kind of keep the car clean again. Look at all this spider web right here. Spider web everywhere. It's been sitting for too long. But I'm just gonna clean it up, and I'm really scared about the plastics all drying out. Like you can see here, the door panel is good. Starting to crack a little right here. That's worrying me, so gotta treat this interior before it gets bad. You can see the back seats are getting a little sunburned too. And oh yeah, I actually fixed the exhaust, so the exhaust is good now. You can see it's no more rattling. And it was because I forgot one of the donuts on this side over here, so it was like up there somewhere, and I forgot to put that one on. I thought I did it, but I didn't do that. And then all I did for this part right here was just strap this donut like that, and sorry the mic's in the way, but just strapped it like this and it's holding okay. So I'm just gonna leave it like that and it should be pretty decent. It's hot, but I need to make these videos. I need a vlog, and I'm just gonna have to fight through it. So yeah, gonna go ahead and vacuum everything, and then I'll show you guys in a little bit. So I just finally finished cleaning the interior and it looks so good again. See, I wiped everything down, no more spider webs. Dash is nice and wiped down. just letting it dry a little bit now, and it's looking good. So yep, that's it. Just got this thing all cleaned up. It's looking real good again. And I'll probably clean the seats another day because it's pretty hot right now. And we could check out the engine bay. So here's the engine bay, and it looks dirty. It's a year of dust right here, but need to wash this thing too. It's leaking power steering fluid. I think I have to change this hose out because it's leaking like crazy. But the car runs pretty good still, and let me turn off for you guys so you guys can finally hear that exhaust, and I'll give it a little rev too so you can kind of hear it. So that's happening to my tach, and I read up and I think it's just like a bad wiring or sensor, so I'm gonna have to take it out and then just check it. Oh, there you go, it's idling back again. It kind of does that, so I think I'm gonna have to figure that out, but I'm gonna let it idle for a bit so it kind of just runs a little bit, and then we'll go check out the exhaust. So let me know what you guys think I should do with this car. I really want to do engine swap, but I think that's going to cost a lot of money, and I could probably do a turbo kit for the engine and just kind of have fun with that. So let me know what you guys think I should do. I might just turbo this, and I might do it kind of like the ghetto way. So like just adding like a fuel pressure regulator and just running a piggyback and not an ECU. So I might do that so you guys can see, can you run a turbo kit without all of the fancy stuff, and how reliable will it be. So we'll see. I might go that route and just kind of have fun with it. I have a spare KA, so I'm not really too worried about this one blowing up. It is an old engine anyway, so I'm gonna just want to have fun with this thing and finally just do some crazy stuff for fun, and then while I still work on my 86s. So yeah, let me give you guys a little sound test right here, and here's the exhaust. So there was the exhaust, and it sounds pretty good. I love the way it sounds, very quiet, and I've actually never really revved the engine that high. So kind of smells, but it's okay, we'll let it breathe a little bit, right? But yeah, that's it right there. And so now I'll probably just move the car back in and cover it up so it doesn't get beat by the sun, and then just kind of show you guys some cool shots of the car. I know it's not really much today, but I'm just trying to do what I can after I get home from work, and hopefully my vlogs will be a little better on the weekends when I actually have time to work on my cars. But got some stuff in stored, and we might do it on the weekends, so I'll be grinding there. And I still want to just post something up like every day or every other day for you guys to just kind of see my updates, and it kind of gets me going to do stuff too. So that might be it for this vlog, guys. I know it's very short, but hope you guys enjoyed it. I love this 240. Let's go ahead and finally start doing stuff to it so I could get running. And I kind of sound like a broken record, but like I said, I'm still waiting for parts, so hopefully they come in soon. Hopefully I could get them by at least the mid-July or something like that. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. See you guys. Peace.